Hi, good people. So, today I just want to talk about the track of Hot Wheels track builder system. So, apparently, if you want to buy a set of track together with one or two cars, it costs a lot. And do you know, in my place, it is very hard to get these straight track. Oh my god, I've been waiting for it for so long, and finally I got it. And you can see my track there. Oh, very nice. The two loop. Yeah. Maybe one day you can see the full race. Maybe you can suggest which car to race on this track. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.